Hello, in this video we're gonna check if this Motorola Moto G52 has a double SIM card slot. So in order to do that, I needed to remove the cover, and here on the left side of the phone is a card slot. So we'll need to open it up with our SIM needle. Simply stick it in this gap right here. You'll need to push it a bit and then grab it with your nails and remove it. Now we're gonna check how many slots exactly it has. So it seems it only have one slot right here and one for SD card, the storage card, but on the back side you couldn't put the card in. So that confirms we have only one SIM slot in this phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.